In this video, I'm going to let you know about how to create an app utilizing the Microsoft Azure. So, in order to do that, you need to go to the portal.azure.com and you need to click on the app registrations. Uh, Once you will click on the app registrations, you will see a panel in which all the applications that are actually owned by you or the company will be present over here. Uh, since there is no application over here, so we need to create a new application. So you need to click on the new registration. You need to give a friendly name. Let's say, like I say, like data set uh, refresh, something like that over here. And I need to click on the register. Once the registration is complete, the application will come. You need to write down your application ID, object ID, and directory or the tenant ID somewhere or in any XML file or any configuration file. Because the reason is, if you want to utilize this application in your coding applications, you need to call this application. For that, you need these three uh, essential things. So this application normally calls further REST APIs that are provided by Microsoft. So you need to click on the API permissions, okay, and you need to click on the add permission, and here you can see all the Microsoft APIs that you can actually utilize in your uh, coding applications. So if I say that I would like to utilize Power BI, I need to click on the Power BI service. I need to click on the dedicated permissions, and here I have lots of APIs that are coming in. For example, I say that I need to utilize all all APIs that are coming under dataset. So I will expand this dataset section and will utilize these two. I need to click on add permission. So once that's done, it's coming over here. But in your coding application, if you want to utilize these REST APIs, you should have some authenticated authentication mechanism in place. So in order to do that, you need to click on the certificates and secrets, and here you need to add a new client secret. Just give a friendly name, like for example, client secret one, and just give a expiry name. For the sake of this demo, I'm selecting 90 days and click on add. It will create a secret ID and a respective value. And remember one thing, that this value is like for only this time. Once this value will be once you will actually leave this page, there will be no value. So you need to copy this value and the secret ID somewhere safe. Further, when you are going to utilize the REST APIs, you need this secret ID and the value. Okay, so uh, that's it from this side, and let's see, like if I refresh the page, what will happen. So see, the value is gone now. uh, so that's it. This is how you can actually do the app configuration on your Microsoft Azure portal. Okay, so please don't forget to like, subscribe this channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.